Hi there, future astronauts. It's me, your space guide, and today I'm so excited to tell you all about space shuttles, those amazing machines that carry astronauts to the stars and back. Ready to blast off on this incredible journey? Let's go! When I first heard about space shuttles, I couldn't believe how cool they are. A space shuttle is like a giant spaceship and airplane combined. It's designed to zoom into space, help astronauts do their work up there, and then return safely to Earth. Isn't that amazing? Let me tell you how they work. A space shuttle has three main parts. The orbiter. This is where the astronauts sit. It's like the home part of the shuttle, with controls, tools, and even a little space to eat and sleep. The rocket boosters. These are like super powerful engines that help the shuttle break free from Earth's gravity. The external fuel tank. This holds the fuel that powers the boosters. When a shuttle launches, it uses so much energy that it lights up the sky like a fireworks show. Have you ever seen a rocket launch on TV or online? It's so loud and bright. It gives me chills every time I watch it. Once the shuttle is in space, the boosters and fuel tank fall away, and the orbiter continues its journey. Imagine looking out the window and seeing Earth from up there. It's like a beautiful blue marble. I've always been curious about what astronauts do in space. Did you know they conduct experiments, fix satellites, and even build space stations? Space shuttles played a huge role in building the International Space Station, where astronauts from all over the world live and work together. And here's something really exciting. The space shuttle can land back on Earth just like an airplane. It glides down a long runway, ready to be used again for another mission. That's what made space shuttles so special. They were reusable. Now it's your turn to imagine. If you could travel on a space shuttle, where would you want to go? The moon? Mars? Or maybe just float around and enjoy zero gravity? Let me know. I'd love to hear your space dreams.